Kids, let's continue the lesson of useful animals. The fine silk fabrics is obtained from silkworm. How we get fine silk fabrics? Yes, the fine silk fabrics is obtained from silkworm. Silkworm are found on mulberry trees. Where the silkworm are found? Yes, silkworms are found on mulberry trees. Then, what this silkworm makes? A silkworm makes a fine cocoons around itself. Silk thread are got from cocoon. The threads are then woven into silk cloth. Silk is used to make saris and other beautiful handicrafts. Look at the picture kids here. Um, Silkworm. Silkworm, we get the cocoon, and from this cocoon, the silk saris are made. Not only this silk saris, but other beautiful handicrafts also made. Then honeybees give honey. Honeybees give honey. Honeybees make honey from the nectar of flowers and store it in their hives. Here, honeybees make honey from the juice of flowers and store it in its hive. Hive is nothing but home, that is, we call it as hives. Then we get honey and wax from beehives. We get honey and even wax from beehive. Honey is very nutritious, means it is very healthy. Honey is very healthy, and wax is used to make candles. Look at the picture kids here. Honeybee, then beehive. Honeybee home is beehive. Okay, we get from this beehive honey and wax. uh, Honey is a very nutritious food, and wax is used to make candles. Yes, animals carry our loads. Animals like horses, donkey, mules, ponies, and camels are used for riding. They are called beast of burden. Why they are called? Because it carry the loads. It carry our loads. So it is called as the beast of burden. Farmers use bullock to pull carts or plow fields. Look at the picture kids here. We see the farmer use bullock to pull carts or plow the field. Do you know, children? A horse sleep while standing. A horse sleep while standing. Horses rarely sit down in their lifetime. A horse sleeps while standing. Okay, horses rarely sit. It doesn't sit. Rarely it sit in their lifetime. Once in a lifetime, it sits. Then elephants are used to carry heavy loads. In the polar regions, reindeers and husky dogs are used for pulling sledge. Look at the picture kids here. Husky dogs pulling sledge. Animals give leather. The skin of dead animals such as buffaloes, crocodiles, camels, sheep, and snakes are used to make leather. Our shoe, leather jacket, belts, wallets, and handbags are made of leather. Look at the picture, children, here. With the help of these animals' skin, that is the dead animal skin, that is sheep, crocodile, camel, snake, it is used to make leather. And we get jacket, Belts, wallet, bags are made from this leather. Then sometimes animals are killed just for their skin. It is a wrong practice and must be avoided at all cost. Yes, no children. We should not kill the animals. We should protect them. Some animals such as rhinoceros and elephants are hunted for their body parts. How, for which body parts means rhinos are hunted for their horns. You know what do you mean by horns, no children? Yes. And elephants for their tusk. Tusk means here long teeth. Okay. Rhinos are hunted for their horns and elephants for their tusk, for their teeth. Pets. Animals like cats, dogs, and parrots are kept at home. They are known as pet animals. We all know what is the pet animals. The animals which are kept at home are called pet animals or domestic animals. They help us in many ways. A dog guards our house and a cat chases the mice away. It is fun to have a pet at home. See here in the picture, the dog guards our home. It protects our home from thieves, unknown persons. Yes, no children? A dog guards our house. And here in the second picture, the cat chases the mice. And in the third picture, you see the parrot. Yes, no children? These are all our pet animals that are kept at home. It is a pet animal or domestic animals. They help us in many ways. Hope children you all understood the lesson. Take care children.